talk about John Deere high-lows. So John Deere Sound Guard tractors, all quad range, had a high-low clutch pack. So we just had a couple cores come back, sewed one this week, just had a couple pull-outs that we're going to go through here in the rebuild shop. So we're going to show you a couple things of how we're adapting to discontinued parts and how we're keeping that vintage tractor running. So this is a 3-bolt carrier, which can be found in the 4030, 4230, 4430, and 4630s. 3-bolt carrier requires a 3-bolt drum. The negative side is it's got a tall bolt that goes into here. When that breaks, it typically breaks the drum, or if the torque breaks the it'll waller the nipple out in the carrier. So if either one of those is bad, you're in trouble. You can't buy either one of them new. So what we're doing is we're converting excuse me, Deere does sub you to a bunch of parts in a later serial number, but what we found is easier and makes it better high-low is we just take 4440 parts and put those pieces inside. Now, I'm not saying you can take an entire 4440 high-low and use it, because you can't, but that's my job to figure out those details. And so we've got a hybrid. It is a heavy duty, it holds more clutches, and it gets you away from the 3-bolt, so that if you have problems down the road, you can get parts for them. So that's how we distinguish them. This is an early style. This is a late, but then we have the hybrid, which is a early style piston housing. That part we can't overcome, and that's all based off your serial number. So that's how we get a heavy duty 4430 high-low assembly out of the 4440. So if we can help you out, we don't sell any parts and pieces because they're so hard to come by. We only sell the complete assemblies. If we can help you out and you can't find the parts, we'd be glad to help you.